Ram 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 Sarvebhyaha. Welcome to class 49 of learning to chant Sriman Narayaniyam. We will begin with the Dhyana Shloka. Gurureva gatirgurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Shrikanto matulo yasya janani sarvamangala Janaka Shankaro Devaha Tam Vande Kunjarananam Pitambaram Karavirajita Shankha Chakra Kaumodaki Sarasijam Karuna Samudram Radha Sahayamati Sundara Mandahasam Vatalaye Shamanisham Hridi Bhavayami. We will begin the revision of Dashakam 25, Shloka 6. So a lot of you would have revised for Parayanam test. And the Spurti, you can begin.
भ्राम्यन्तन्दिति जाधमं पुनरपि प्रोद्गृह्य दोर्भ्याञ्जवात् द्वारेथोरुयुगे निपात्य नखरान् व्युत्खाय वक्षो भुवि निर्भिन्दन्नधिगर्भनिर्भरगलत्रक्ताम्बुबद्धोत्सवम् पायं पायमुदैरयो बहुजगत्संहारि सिंहारमान त्यक्त्वा तं हतमाशु रक्तलहरी सिक्तोर्नमत्वर्ष्मणि प्रत्युत्पत्य समस्तदैत्यपटलीं चाखाद्यमाने त्वयि भ्राम्यद्भूमिविकम्पिताम्बुधिकुलं व्यालोलशैलोत्करं प्रोत्सर्पत्खचरं चराचरमहो दुःस्थामवस्थां दधौ तावन्मांसवपाकरालवपुषं घोरान्त्रमालाधरम् त्वां मध्ये सभमित्थकोपमुषितं दुर्वारगुर्वारवम् अभ्येतुन्नक्षशाककोऽपि भुवने दूरे स्थिता भीरवः सर्वे शर्वविरिञ्च वासवमुखाः प्रत्येकमस्तोषत भूयोऽप्यक्षतरोषधाम्नि भवति ब्रह्माज्ञया बालके प्रह्लादे पदयोर्नमत्यपभये कारुण्यभाराकुलः शान्तस्त्वं करमस्य मुनिसमधाः स्तोत्रैरधोत्कायतः तस्याकामधियोऽपि ते निधवरल्लोकाय चानुग्रहम् एवं नाटितरौद्रचेष्टितविभो श्रीतापनीयाभिध श्रुत्यन्तस्फुटगीतसर्वमहमन्नत्यन्तशुद्धाकृते
Mahiman, not Mahaman, Mahiman.
Okay. हाँ श्रुत्यन्तस्फुटगीतसर्वमहिमन्नत्यन्तशुद्धाकृते तत्तादृङ्निखिलोत्तरं पुनरहो कस्त्वां परोलङ्घयेत् प्रह्लादप्रिय हे मरुत्पुरपते सर्वामयात् पाहि माम् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये नरसिंहावतारं नाम पञ्चविंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तं नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
Very good. Arjun, you take from 26.1. 26.1.
इन्द्रद्युम्नः पाण्ड्यखण्डाधिराजः त्वद्भक्तात्मा चन्दनाद्रौ कदाचित् त्वत्सेवायां मग्नधीरालुलोके नैवागस्त्यं प्राप्तमातिथ्यकामम्. कुम्भोद्भूतिः संभृतक्रोधभारः स्तब्धात्मा त्वं हस्तिभूयं भजेति शप्त्वाथैनं प्रत्यगात्सोऽपि लेभे हस्तीन्द्रत्वं त्वत्स्मृतिव्यक्तिधन्यम् दुग्धाम्भोधेर्मध्यभाजी त्रिकूटे क्रीडन् शैले
मध्यभाजी
यूथपोय
is not very दीर्घ मध्यभाजी त्रिकूटे
दुग्धाम्भोधेर्मध्यभाजि त्रिकूटे क्रीडन् शैले यूथपोयं वशाभिः सर्वान् अत्यवर्तिष्ठशक्त्या त्वद्भक्तानां कुत्र नोत्कर्षलाभः वेनस्थेम्ना दिव्यदेशत्वशक्त्या सोऽयं खेदान प्रजानन् कदाचित् शैलप्रान्ते घर्मतान्तः सरस्यां यूथैः सार्धं त्वत्प्रणुन्नोभिरेमे हुहुस्तावद्देवलस्यापि शापात् ग्राहीभूतस्तज्जले वर्तमानः जग्राहैनं हस्तिनं पाददेशे शान्त्यर्थं हि श्रान्तिदोषि स्वकानाम् त्वत्सेवाया वैभवाद्दुर्निरोधं युध्यन्तन्तं वत्सराणां सहस्रम् प्राप्ते काले त्वत्पदैकाग्र्यसिद्ध्यै नक्राक्रान्तं हस्तिवर्यं व्यधास्त्वम् आर्तिव्यक्तप्राक्तनज्ञानभक्तिः शुण्डोत्क्षिप्तैः पुण्डरीकैः समर्चन् पूर्वाभ्यस्तं निर्विशेषात्मनिष्ठं स्तोत्रश्रेष्ठं सोन्वगादीत् परात्मन्.
Okay, good. We'll move on to shloka number 8. Spurti, repeat after. Shrutva stotram निर्गुणस्थं समस्तं ब्रह्मेशाद्यैः नाहमिति अप्रयाते सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्य वेगात् तार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितो भूः पुरस्तात् श्रुत्वा स्तोत्रम् निर्गुणस्थं समस्तं श्रुत्वा स्तोत्रं निर्गुणस्थं समस्तं
श्रुत्वा स्तोत्रं निर्गुणस्थं समस्तं श्रुत्वा स्तोत्रं निर्गुणस्थं समस्तं
ब्रह्मेशाद्यैः
ब्रह्मेशाद्यैः
नाहमित्यप्रयाते
नाहमित्यप्रयाते
ब्रह्मेशाद्यैर्नाहमित्यप्रयाते
ब्रह्मेशाद्यैर्नाहमित्यप्रयाते
सर्वात्मा त्वम्
सर्वात्मा त्वं
भूरि कारुण्यवेगात्
भूरि कारुण्यवेगात्
सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्यवेगात्
सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्यवेगात् सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्यवेगात्
तार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितः
तार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितः
अभूः पुरस्तात्
अभूः पुरस्तात्
तार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितो भूः पुरस्तात्
तार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितो भूः पुरस्तात् तार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितो भूः पुरस्तात् श्रुत्वा स्तोत्रं निर्गुणस्थं समस्तं ब्रह्मेशाद्यैर्नाहमित्यप्रयाते सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्यवेगात् तार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितो भूः पुरस्तात् श्रुत्वा स्तोत्रं निर्गुणस्थं समस्तं ब्रह्मेशाद्यैर्नाहमित्यप्रयाते सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्यवेगात् तार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितो भूः पुरस्तात्
Good. Shloka 27. Arjun. Arjun or Suman. Suman, you can unmute yourself. हस्तीन्द्रन्तं
हस्तीन्द्रन्तं
हस्तपद्मेन
हस्तपद्मेन
धृत्वा चक्रेण त्वं नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ती त्वत्पारूप्यं त्वत्सारूप्यं
त्वत्सारूप्यं त्वत्सारूप्यं
प्राप्य
प्राप्य प्राप्य
देदीप्यते स्म
देदीप्यते स्म देदीप्यते स्म
हस्तीन्द्रन्तम्
हस्तीन्द्रन्तम् हस्तीन्द्रन्तम्
हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा
हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा
हस्तीन्द्रन्तं हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा
हस्तीन्द्रन्तं हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा हस्तीन्द्रन्तं हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा
चक्रेण त्वं
चक्रेण त्वं
नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः
नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः
चक्रेण त्वं नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः
चक्रेण त्वं नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः चक्रेण त्वं नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः
गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन्
गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन्
मुक्तशापे सहस्ती
मुक्तशापे सहस्ती मुक्तशापे सहस्ती
गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ती
गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ती गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ती
त्वत्सारूप्यं
त्वत्सारूप्यं त्वत्सारूप्यं
प्राप्य देदीप्यते स्म
प्राप्य देदीप्यते स्म प्राप्य देदीप्यते स्म हस्तीन्द्रन्तं
त्वत्सारूप्यं प्राप्य देदीप्यते स्म
त्वत्सारूप्यं प्राप्य देदीप्यते स्म त्वत्सारूप्यं प्राप्य देदीप्यते स्म हस्तीन्द्रन्तं हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा चक्रेण त्वं नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ती त्वत्सारूप्यं प्राप्य देदीप्यते स्म हस्तीन्द्रन्तं हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा चक्रेण त्वं नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ती त्वत्सारूप्यं प्राप्य देदीप्यते स्म
Good. Go to the last sloka of this. Arjun, are you able to unmute yourself? Okay.
एतद्वृत्तम् एतद्वृत्तम्
त्वाञ्च
त्वाञ्च त्वाञ्च
माञ्च
माञ्च माञ्च
प्रगेयः
प्रगेयः प्रगेयः
गायेत् सोऽयम्
गायेत् सोऽयम् गायेत् सोऽयम्
भूयसे
भूयसे भूयसे
श्रेयसे स्यात्
श्रेयसे स्यात् श्रेयसे स्यात्
इत्युक्त्वैनं
इत्युक्त्वैनम् इत्युक्त्वैनम्
तेन सार्धम्
तेन सार्धं
गतस्त्वम्
गतस्त्वं
धिष्ण्यं विष्णो
धिष्ण्यं धिष्ण्यौ विष्णो
पाहि
पाहि पाहि
वातालयेश
वातालयेश
एतद्वृत्तम्
एतद्वृत्तम्
त्वाञ्च माञ्च
त्वाञ्च माञ्च
प्रगेयः
प्रगेयः
एतद्वृत्तं त्वाञ्च
एतद्वृत्तं त्वाञ्च
माञ्च प्रगेयः
माञ्च प्रगेयः
एतद्वृत्तं त्वाञ्च माञ्च प्रगेयः
एतद्वृत्तं त्वाञ्च माञ्च प्रगेयः एतद्वृत्तं त्वाञ्च माञ्च प्रगेयः
गायेत् सोऽयं
गायेत् सोऽयं
भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात्
भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात्
गायेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात्
गायेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात् गायेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात्
इत्युक्त्वैनम्
इत्युक्त्वैनम्
तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वम्
तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वम्
इत्युक्त्वैनं तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वम्
इत्युक्त्वैनन्तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वम्
धिष्ण्यं विष्णो
धिष्ण्यौ विष्णो
पाहि वातालयेश
पाहि वातालयेश
धिष्ण्यं विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश
धिष्ण्यौ विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश धिष्ण्यौ विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश एतद्वृत्तं त्वाञ्च माञ्च प्रगेयः गायेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात् इत्युक्त्वैनन्तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वम् धिष्ण्यौ विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश एतद्वृत्तं त्वाञ्च माञ्च प्रगेयः गायेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात् इत्युक्त्वैनन्तेन सार्धं गतस्त्वं धिष्ण्यौ विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश.
Good. I'll just clear it out and then I'll tell you the end of the shakam. There are two doubts in this shloka. People they have asked. It is nakravaryam, not naktravaryam. The text on the screen is correct. I don't think there is any patha bheda also here. And chakrena tvam nakravaryam. Can we say tvam nakravaryam or tvan nakravaryam? Both are fine. Tvam you can tell. Arjun. Iti Shriman Narayaniye.
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
गजेन्द्रमोक्षन्नाम
गजेन्द्रमोक्षन्नाम गजेन्द्रमोक्षन्नाम षड्विंशतितमं
दशकं समाप्तम् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये गजेन्द्रमोक्षन्नाम षड्विंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम्
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये गजेन्द्रमोक्षन्नाम षड्विंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये गजेन्द्रमोक्षन्नाम षड्विंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते।
Good. अथ सप्तविंशतितमं दशकं, the 27th dashaka is Varaha Avatara, Kurma Avatara, the tortoise, and Samudra Manthana is what we are going to see now. The Chandas is Praharishini. I think we have seen it before somewhere. I don't remember the dashakam. It is 13 letters. We shall continue. Shloka 1, Spurti, you can repeat after me. If anybody knows which dashakam we have already seen this Chandas, you can type it out. I will tell everyone after the shloka. Spurti.
Yes, ready.
दुर्वासाः
दुर्वासाः दुर्वासाः
सुरवनिता
सुरवनिता सुरवनिता
आप्तदिव्यमाल्यम्
आप्तदिव्यमाल्यम् आप्तदिव्यमाल्यम्
चक्राय
शक्राय शक्राय
स्वयमुपदाय
स्वयमुपदाय स्वयमुपदाय
तत्र भूयः
तत्र भूयः तत्र भूयः
नागेन्द्र
नागेन्द्र नागेन्द्र
प्रतिमृदिते
प्रतिमृदिते प्रतिमृदिते
शशापशक्रम्
शशापशक्रम् शशापशक्रम्
काक्षान्तिः
काक्षान्तिः काक्षान्तिः
त्वदितर
त्वदितर त्वदितर
देवतांशजानाम्
देवतांशजानां देवतांशजानां
देवता
देवतांशजानां
I'm splitting it. Devata
देवता देवता
अंशजानाम्
अंशजानां अंशजानां
दुर्वासाः
दुर्वासाः दुर्वासाः
सुरवनिताप्त
सुरवनिताप्त सुरवनिताप्त
दिव्यमाल्यम्
दिव्यमाल्यं दिव्यमाल्यं
चक्राय स्वयम्
शक्राय स्वयं शक्राय स्वयं
उपदाय तत्र भूयः
उपदाय तत्र भूयः उपदाय तत्र भूयः
नागेन्द्र प्रतिमृदिते
नागेन्द्र प्रतिमृदिते नागेन्द्र प्रतिमृदिते
शशापशक्रम्
शशापशक्रम् शशापशक्रम्
काक्षान्तिः
काक्षान्तिः काक्षान्तिः
त्वदितरदेवता
त्वदितरदेवता त्वदितरदेवता
अंशजानाम्
अंशजानाम् अंशजानाम्
in the third line Nagendra Pratimridite, just telling a mistake that usually people may make. You might say Pratimridite, that makara with r is just mridite, like amrita. When you say like that, you should say Pratimridite. You should not tell Pratimridite. Nagendra Pratimridite should not come. These are some mistakes. I will go into detail more mistakes in next class during Parayanam that you made. But still just Durvasa Suravanita
दुर्वासा सुरवनिता दुर्वासा सुरवनिता
Aptadivyamalyam
आप्तदिव्यमाल्यम् आप्तदिव्यमाल्यम् आप्तदिव्यमाल्यम्
Durvasa Suravanitaptadivyamalyam
दुर्वासा सुरवनिताप्तदिव्यमाल्यम् दुर्वासा सुरवनिताप्तदिव्यमाल्यम्
Shakraya Swayam
शक्राय स्वयम्
Upadaya Tatra Bhuyaha
उपदाय तत्र भूयः उपदाय तत्र भूयः
Shakraya Swayamupadaya Tatra Bhuyaha
शक्राय स्वयमुपदाय तत्र भूयः शक्राय स्वयमुपदाय तत्र भूयः
Nagendra Pratimridite
नागेन्द्र प्रतिमृदिते
Shashapashakram
शशापशक्रम्
Nagendra Pratimridite Shashapashakram
नागेन्द्र प्रतिमृदिते शशापशक्रम् नागेन्द्र प्रतिमृदिते शशापशक्रम्
Kakshantihi
काक्षान्तिः
Tvaditaradevatam shajanam
त्वदितरदेवतांशजानाम्
Kakshantistvaditaradevatam shajanam
काक्षान्तिस्त्वदितरदेवतांशजानाम् दुर्वासा सुरवनिताप्तदिव्यमाल्यम् शक्राय स्वयमुपदाय तत्र भूयः नागेन्द्र प्रतिमृदिते शशापशक्रम् काक्षान्तिस्त्वदितरदेवतांशजानाम्.
Very good. About 20 of you have helped me with which dashakam it was. 18th dashakam Prithu Charitam Jatasya Dhruvakula Eva Tunga Kirtehe. That is where it was. Second shloka, Suman. Shapena
शापेन
Prathitajare
प्रथितजरे
अथ निर्जरेन्द्रे
अथ निर्जरेन्द्रे
देवेष्वपि
देवेष्वपि देवेष्वपि
असुरजितेषु
असुरजितेषु असुरजितेषु
निष्प्रभेषु
निष्प्रभेषु निष्प्रभेषु
शर्वाद्याः
शर्वाद्याः शर्वाद्याः
कमलजमेत्य
कमलजमेत्य कमलजमेत्य
सर्वदेवाः
सर्वदेवाः सर्वदेवाः
निर्वाणप्रभव
निर्वाणप्रभव निर्वाणप्रभव
समं
समं समं
भवन्तमापुः
भवन्तमापुः भवन्तमापुः
शापेन प्रथितजरे
शापेन प्रथितजरे शापेन प्रथितजरे
अथ निर्जरेन्द्रे
अथ निर्जरेन्द्रे अथ निर्जरेन्द्रे
शापेन प्रथितजरेऽथ निर्जरेन्द्रे
शापेन प्रथितजरेऽथ निर्जरेन्द्रे शापेन प्रथितजरेऽथ निर्जरेन्द्रे
देवेष्वपि
देवेष्वपि देवेष्वपि
असुरजितेषु
असुरजितेषु असुरजितेषु
देवेष्वप्यसुरजितेषु
देवेष्वप्यसुरजितेषु देवेष्वप्यसुरजितेषु
निष्प्रभेषु
निष्प्रभेषु निष्प्रभेषु
देवेष्वप्यसुरजितेषु निष्प्रभेषु
देवेष्वप्यसुरजितेषु निष्प्रभेषु देवेष्वप्यसुरजितेषु निष्प्रभेषु
शर्वाद्याः कमलजम्
शर्वाद्याः कमलजम् शर्वाद्याः कमलजम्
एत्य सर्वदेवाः
एत्य सर्वदेवाः एत्य सर्वदेवाः
शर्वाद्याः कमलजमेत्य सर्वदेवाः
शर्वाद्याः कमलजमेत्य सर्वदेवाः शर्वाद्याः कमलजमेत्य सर्वदेवाः
निर्वाणप्रभव
निर्वाणप्रभव निर्वाणप्रभव
समं भवन्तमापुः
समं भवन्तमापुः समं भवन्तमापुः
निर्वाणप्रभव समं भवन्तमापुः
निर्वाणप्रभव निर्वाणप्रभव समं भवन्तमापुः निर्वाणप्रभव समं भवन्तमापुः शापेन प्रथितजरेऽथ निर्जरेन्द्रे देव शापेन प्रथितजरेऽथ निर्जरेन्द्रे देवेष्वप्यसुरजितेषु निष्प्रभेषु शर्वाद्याः कमलजमेत्य सर्वदेवाः निर्वाणप्रभव समं भवन्तमापुः.
Very good. Go to shloka number 3, Arjun. ब्रह्माद्यैः
ब्रह्माद्यैः ब्रह्माद्यैः
स्तुतमहिमा
स्तुतमहिमा स्तुतमहिमा
चिरन्तदानीं
चिरं ददानीं चिरं ददानीं
प्रादुष्यन्
प्रादुष्यन् प्रादुष्यन्
वरदपुरः
वरदपुरः वरदपुरः
परेण धाम्ना
परेण धाम्ना परेण धाम्ना
हे देवा
हे देवा हे दे हे देवाः हे देवाः
दितिजकुलैः
दितिजकुलैः दितिजकुलैः
विधाय सन्धिं
विधाय सन्धिं विधाय सन्धिं
पीयूषं
पीयूषं पीयूषं
परिमथत
परिमथत परिमथत
इति पर्यशाः
इति पर्यशाः इति पर्यशाः
त्वं
त्वं त्वं
ब्रह्माद्यैः
ब्रह्माद्यैः ब्रह्माद्यैः
स्तुतमहिमा चिरन्तदानीं
स्तुतमहिमा चिरन्तदानीं स्तुतमहिमा चिरन्तदानीं
ब्रह्माद्यै स्तुतमहिमा चिरन्तदानीं
ब्रह्माद्यै स्तुतमहिमा चिरन्तदानीं ब्रह्माद्यै स्तुतमहिमा चिरन्तदानीं
प्रादुष्यन्
प्रादुष्यन् प्रादुष्यन्
वरदपुरः
वरदपुरः वरदपुरः
प्रादुष्यन् वरदपुरः
प्रादुष्यन् वरदपुरः प्रादुष्यन् वरदपुरः
परेण धाम्ना
परेण धाम्ना परेण धाम्ना
प्रादुष्यन् वरदपुरः परेण धाम्ना
प्रादुष्यन् वरदपुरः प्रादुष्यन् वरदपुरः परेण धाम्ना प्रादुष्यन् वरदपुरः परेण धाम्ना
हे देवादितिजकुलैः
हे देवादितिजकुलैः हे देवादितिजकुलैः
विधाय सन्धिं
विधाय सन्धिं विधाय सन्धिं
हे देवादितिजकुलैर्विधाय सन्धिं
हे देवादितिजकुलैर्विधाय सन्धिं हे देवादितिजकुलैर्विधाय सन्धिं
पीयूषं परिमथत
पीयूषं परिमथत पीयूषं परिमथत
इति पर्यशास्त्वम्
इति पर्यशास्त्वम् इति पर्यशास्त्वम्
पीयूषं परिमथतेति पर्यशास्त्वम्
पीयूषं पीयूषं परिमथतेति पर्यशास्त्वम् पीयूषं परिमथतेति पर्यशास्त्वम् ब्रह्माद्यैस्तुतमहिमा चिरन्तदानीं प्रादुष्यन् वरदपुरः परेण धाम्ना हे देवादितिजकुलैर्विधाय सन्धिम् पीयूषं परिमथतेति पर्यशास्त्वम्.
Very good. I think as we have seen bigger and bigger shlokas, the smaller ones get easier with the smaller padas. Spurti. Sandhanam.
सन्धानं सन्धानं
Kritavati.
कृतवती कृतवती
दानवैस्सुरौघे
दानवैस्सुरौघे दानवैस्सुरौघे
मन्थानन्नयति
मन्थानन्नयति मन्थानन्नयति
मदेन
मदेन मदेन
मन्दराद्रिम्
मन्दराद्रिं मन्दराद्रिं
भ्रष्टेऽस्मिन्
भ्रष्टेऽस्मिन् भ्रष्टेऽस्मिन्
बदरमिव
बदरमिव बदरमिव
उद्वहन्
उद्वहन् उद्वहन्
खगेन्द्रे
खगेन्द्रे खगेन्द्रे
इवोद्वहन् खगेन्द्रे
इवोद्वहन् खगेन्द्रे इवोद्वहन् खगेन्द्रे
सद्यस्त्वम्
सद्यस्त्वं सद्यस्त्वं
विनिहितवान्
विनिहितवान् विनिहितवान्
पयः पयोधौ
पयः पयोधौ पयः पयोधौ
सन्धानं कृतवती
सन्धानं कृतवती सन्धानं कृतवती
दानवैस्सुरौघे
दानवैस्सुरौघे दानवैस्सुरौघे
सन्धानं कृतवती दानवैस्सुरौघे
सन्धानं कृतवती दानवैस्सुरौघे सन्धानं कृतवती दानवैस्सुरौघे
मन्थानन्नयति
मन्थानन्नयति मन्थानन्नयति
मदेन मन्दराद्रिम्
मदेन मन्दराद्रिं मदेन मन्दराद्रिं
मन्थानन्नयति मदेन मन्दराद्रिम्
मन्थानन्नयति मदेन मन्दराद्रिं मन्थानन्नयति मदेन मन्दराद्रिं
भ्रष्टेऽस्मिन्
भ्रष्टेऽस्मिन् भ्रष्टेऽस्मिन्
बदरमिव
बदरमिव बदरमिव
उद्वहन् खगेन्द्रे
उद्वहन् खगेन्द्रे उद्वहन् खगेन्द्रे
बदरमिवोद्वहन् खगेन्द्रे
बदरमिवोद्वहन् खगेन्द्रे बदरमिवोद्वहन् खगेन्द्रे
भ्रष्टेऽस्मिन् बदरमिवोद्वहन् खगेन्द्रे
भ्रष्टेऽस्मिन् वदनमिवोद्वहन् खगेन्द्रे भ्रष्टेऽस्मिन् बदरमिवोद्वहन् खगेन्द्रे
once more
भ्रष्टेऽस्मिन् बदरमिवोद्वहन् खगेन्द्रे
सद्यस्त्वम्
सद्यस्त्वं सद्यस्त्वं
विनिहितवान्
विनिहितवान् विनिहितवान्
पयः पयोधौ
पयः पयोधौ पयः पयोधौ
सद्यस्त्वं विनिहितवान् पयः पयोधौ
सद्यस्त्वं विनिहितवान् पयः पयोधौ सद्यस्त्वं विनिहितवान् पयः पयोधौ सन्धानं कृतवती दानवैः सुरौघे मन्थानं नयति मदेन मन्दराद्रिम् हृष्टेऽस्मिन् वदरमिवोद्वहन् खगेन्द्रे सद्यस्त्वं विनिहितवान् पयः पयोधौ.
Now I will there are 3 announcements. So the discourse session for Dashakams 21 to 25 will be tomorrow, that is 7th March Sunday. Today is Saturday, tomorrow Sunday at 6:30 p.m. as usual. The meanings for Dashakams 21 to 25 will be tomorrow. Evening as usual. YouTube live. I hope all of you would have received mails just before the class, half an hour before the class. I have sent it out. All of you should have received the mails along with the link. If not on YouTube, anyway, the live at 6:30, if you log in on the YouTube Vyoma channel, the live link will be there. The live video will be going on. You can join. It's on YouTube, so no problem. The memorization test for again Dashakams 21 to 25. The mail has been sent out. Most of you are usual participants, so you know the process. You all can register. That also has been sent out just an hour before the class, around 7 o'clock. I sent them out. Next Saturday, the class will begin at 8:30 p.m. This is important. Remember, the mails that you get on the remainder mails on Friday and Saturday, they will tell 8 p.m. But a class is beginning, that cannot be changed easily. So those mails will come out as 8 p.m. only. I will send a remainder mail again on Friday or Saturday that will say we will begin at 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. I hope that is fine with most of you. There is some Shivaratri program, therefore, which will go until 7:45 or even 8. So we will begin at 8:30 p.m. That is Indian time. So everywhere half an hour later than the usual time, we will begin the next class. Now I will recite all the shlokas, and then we will, as usual, take questions and then see some recitations. I will recite the full complete Dashakam 26 and then the 4 shlokas of Dashakam 27 also. Atha षड्विंशतितमं दशकम् इन्द्रद्युम्नः पाण्ड्यखण्डाधिराजः त्वद्भक्तात्मा चन्दनाद्रौ कदाचित् त्वत्सेवायां मग्नधीरालुलोके नैवागस्त्यं प्राप्तमातिथ्यकामम् कुम्भोद्भूतिः संभृतक्रोधभारः स्तब्धात्मा त्वं हस्तिभूयं भजेति शप्त्वाथैनं प्रत्यगात्सोऽपि लेभे हस्तीन्द्रत्वं त्वत्स्मृतिव्यक्तिधन्यम् दुग्धाम्भोधेर्मध्यभाजित्रिकूटे क्रीडन् शैले यूथपोऽयं वशाभिः सर्वाञ्जन्तूनत्यवर्तिष्ठशक्त्या त्वद्भक्तानां कुत्र नोत्कर्षलाभः स्वेन स्थेम्ना दिव्यदेशत्वशक्त्या सोऽयं खेदान प्रजानन् कदाचित् शैलप्रान्ते घर्मतान्तः सरस्यां यूथैः सार्धं त्वत्प्रणुन्नोभिरेमे हुहुस्तावद्देवलस्यापि शापात् ग्राहीभूतस्तज्जले वर्तमानः जग्राहैनं हस्तिनं पाददेशे शान्त्यर्थं हि श्रान्तिदोषि स्वकानां त्वत्सेवाया वैभवाद् दुर्निरोधं युध्यन्तं तं वत्सराणां सहस्रं प्राप्ते काले त्वत्पदैकाग्र्यसिद्ध्यै नक्राक्रान्तं हस्तिवर्ग्यं व्यधास्त्वम् आर्तिव्यक्तप्राक्तनज्ञानभक्तिः शुण्डोत्क्षिप्तैः पुण्डरीकैः समर्चन् पूर्वाभ्यस्तन्निर्विशेषात्मनिष्ठम् स्तोत्रं श्रेष्ठं सोन्वगादीत्परात्मन् श्रुत्वा स्तोत्रं निर्गुणस्थं समस्तं ब्रह्मेशाद्यैर्नाहमित्यप्रयाते सर्वात्मा त्वं भूरि कारुण्यवेगात् तार्क्ष्यारूढः प्रेक्षितो भूः पुरस्तात् हस्तीन्द्रन्तं हस्तपद्मेन धृत्वा चक्रेण त्वन्नक्रवर्यं व्यदारीः गन्धर्वेऽस्मिन् मुक्तशापे सहस्ती त्वत्सारूप्यं प्राप्य देदीप्यते स्म एतद्वृत्तं त्वाञ्च प्रगेयः गायेत् सोऽयं भूयसे श्रेयसे स्यात् इत्युक्त्वैनं सार्धं गतस्त्वं धिष्ण्यं विष्णो पाहि वातालयेश इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये गजेन्द्रमोक्षं नाम षड्विंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते। अथ सप्तविंशतितमं दशकम् दुर्वासाः सुरवनिताप्तदिव्यमाल्यं शक्राय स्वयमुपदाय तत्र भूयः नागेन्द्रप्रतिमृदिते शशापशक्रं काक्षान्तिस्त्वदितरदेवतांशजानां शापेन प्रथितजरेऽथ निर्जरेन्द्रे देवेष्वप्यसुरजितेषु निष्प्रभेषु शर्वाद्याः कमलजमेत्य सर्वदेवाः निर्वाणप्रभवसमं भवन्तमापुः ब्रह्माद्यैस्तुतमहिमाचिरं तदानीं प्रादुष्यन् वरदपुरः परेण धाम्ना हे देवादितिजकुलैर्विधाय सन्धिं पीयूषं परिमथतेति पर्यशास्त्वम् सन्धानं कृतवति दानवैः सुरौघे मन्थानं नयति मदेन मन्दराद्रिम् भ्रष्टेऽस्मिन् बदरमिवोद्वहन् खगेन्द्रे सद्यस्त्वं विनिहितवान् पयः पयोधौ. That is today's class. And the results of the Parayanam test, we had more than 110 participants, I think around that, will be announced next week. There is some more, I have to collate all the marks of all the judges and we will announce that next week along with some feedback also. Hopefully, all the judges have been given feedback. I also listened to many of your recitations, almost 80% of your recitations I was listening. So in some places, how we can all improve over those pronunciations. Hopefully, I will collect and then give you about 10 minutes in the next class. Yeah, let us see some other questions that are there on the question box. Okay, that was a question. Results of the previous memorization test that will be updated. Memorization, all of you, those who have told the memorization. Anyway, 3 tests. The 4th test, I have not added the marks to the same file. I will do it soon, and then I will send out the results of that also in this week, probably next week, both Parayanam and this thing. Mail not received for memorization test. Oh, okay. If mail has not been received, then 1 second, you must just wait. Yeah, I will paint the paste the memorization test link here on on the chat box. So those who have not received can use that. But you should receive the mail. If you have not received the mail, please also tell mail Vyoma that you have not received the mail. Because there are about 1,800 people that the mail goes out to, but there are about, I think, a few people who the mail doesn't go out to. There is some problem. They also know that there is a problem. They're trying to fix it, but if you personally send them a mail, then hopefully they can do it faster. So I hope all of you have received the this thing. And yeah, for the Discord, it's not a big deal. Even if you've not received the mail, you can log in into YouTube tomorrow. The live would have just begun, and then you can just click that link and watch it live. So that is not an issue. A date for memory head test is again on the mail. It is tentatively from 15th March. I will open the wait. I will see these questions later. I'm going to open the. You can raise your hand to ask questions. Yeah, Devavrata. You can unmute yourself. And after that, Gayatri Rajmohan. After Devavrata. Yes.
I am a newcomer, sir. I have attended only 2 classes. Today is the 3rd class that I am attending, and I know only 100 Dashaka.
That is okay. The later you can memorize this, and later in the later tests you can participate.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Gayatri Rajmohan, and then Radha Rao after Gayatri.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
Sorry, I missed out the last class due to traveling. I'm asking for the next time slot. I don't want to miss it. It was due to Parihara thing. I have gone.
Oh, that, okay. No problem. That I will tell you. I have been very busy this week. I had no time. I will give you a time. No problem.
Yeah, that's what I don't want to miss it. Sorry, actually, I couldn't memorize it due to my age and profession, and
Yes,
I couldn't memorize. I couldn't participate.
I remember. I will give you a time slot. No problem.
Thank you, Guruji. Namaste.
Radha Rao, and then Veda.
Hari Om, Guruji. I would like to know I would like to get to know my co-participants, for those who are learning with me, their number or something like that, because I am not receiving any mail till now. I also wanted to do recitation, and I didn't know how to get to that. So I thought I would like to know some people who are learning with me, in this class.
Yes.
I
understand. I got your question. For the recitation, I also shared during the class. I shared the link because some of you are still not receiving. During the class, also I had shared the link for you to register. Nonetheless, there is also a Telegram group through which you can. There are many participants. There are about, I think, 180 or 200 participants have. They are all there in a group, which is the Telegram app. Like,
how will we join that? How will we join that?
That link also was given through a particular mail, but currently I don't know if someone can post it. I can share it. If someone can share the link for the Telegram group, I will post it for you. Other than that, anything like this, you can mail me. Like if you had not received the link for Parayam test, you could have mailed me to that the mail ID that I have, and then I would have sent you the link, because about 3-4 of them did that. So anything like that you have that is urgent or something, do mail me personally.
Yes, but I would like to know some people who are learning from Chennai. Some phone number.
Hopefully, if somebody can send me a Telegram loop, share the link, or if you can share your somebody should send the link. Only then you have to download the Telegram app. There, from all the places, there Chennai, Bangalore, all across the world, people are there. So that should not be a problem.
I hope somebody will do that for me. That link for me.
You can do one thing. I don't know. There is no way to chat with everyone on this forum on the GoToWebinar. You send me a mail. I will send you the Telegram joining link, and then we can take it from there.
Okay,
you just click on the link. Join on the, yeah.
Dhanyavad. Guruji.
Yeah.
Ram
Uh,
Ram Mahoday.
Ram Ram, Yuveda, yes.
Last, I mean, this might be a silly question. Dashakam 26, right? We were made to repeat each slokam twice at the whole shloka. Did it have any particular significance, or was it just for practice?
No, just practice. Since it was a small shloka, I didn't teach it 4 times. I taught it 3 times, so I asked them to repeat it.
Okay. No issues. Thank you.
The
By the way,
bigger
great
shloka, I go
classes. I'm
through it 4
really
times, so I just asked them to repeat it twice.
okay. Mahoday. Really enjoying it.
It was simple. I didn't want to go through it. Nothing.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Shubha Ganesh. After that, Radhabai.
Namaskaram, sir. Even I had the same question another participant has asked. I want to know the Telegram group. I'm already there in Telegram. So how do I join?
Now one person has sent me. Wait a minute. They've sent me the Telegram link. I'll paste it for all of you. You can use that to
So I'm using my Android phone. Where do I see your messages in this room now?
Oh, that I am not very sure. On Android phone, there is some chat option. I think there is some option like a bubble or something. It was there.
I have asked question, but where am I seeing? I'm going to see the answers. I don't know.
No. Whatever I paste, the links that I have pasted, you should have got. The others, whatever they are pasting, you won't get. The questions that
I have repasted. I can't see that.
I have sent 3 messages today. One talks. I don't know. From here, it is not possible to guide. I think you should ask someone next to you who is conversant to explain what you.
This is the problem for this phone. I'm not able to see the link you paste generally. I'm able to ask you questions, but I'm unable to get to the.
There should be some chat because I have sent it to all the audience, so that is quite visible. There should be a chat box which you should be able to find. So Kailasam Iyer shared the link. Thank you. Next is Radhabai.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
This is regarding last week Parayanam. I was not able to log in at all from the usual link. I was not able to join.
It was not the usual. It was a Zoom link. I had sent it through mail again. It was a Zoom link that I had sent. So a lot of
I didn't receive that mail. I didn't receive that mail, due to which I was not within that. To that.
It was not on this because there are many judges and many rooms, so we couldn't do it on this platform. And then this a little more. There's only one way. It is better. Like when I'm teaching and you're listening, this platform is good. Zoom is for that interactive thing. That was better. So we use Zoom.
Okay. But I didn't receive the mail, so I couldn't join at all last week. Of course, I wanted to only listen to that because I am not. Because I also started joining the class only about 3-4 weeks back.
No problem. No. I think a lot of people, this mail receiving has become an issue. We will see. We will somehow sort it out. I've been telling the technical team. Let us.
Okay. Because that Vyoma link mail I got.
I see. Then mine should get. If you're getting Vyoma link mail, then mine should be easier. Maybe it has gone to spam or some other folder. Please check. Just type in Rama Vyoma. It should be in some other folder.
Okay. Thank you. And I have asked one question also. That is in the 26th Dashakam. That Ityuktva Enam. How do you split that word, Guruji?
It is Iti Uktva Enam.
Okay. Iti Uktva Enam. Oh, thank you. Dhanyavad. Thank you.
Priyadarshini Paini and then Padmaja Ananta Iyer after Priyadarshini. One second. Priyadarshini.
Namaskaram.
Namaste.
Yeah. Apologies that I couldn't participate in the Parayanam test last week, which was conducted. Since it was rescheduled due to the office work, and I couldn't really attend that one. And as I see, a lot of newcomers are also coming. How we can participate in that Parayanam test? It's like just only once you are conducting, or it's like in the upcoming sessions or time.
Test that is from 26 to 50 when we conduct. That time you can participate.
That time also 1 to 25.
Participate. There is no prerequisite.
Yeah, I was feeling very bad that didn't participate, even though I prepared. So that of
You can participate in the next test.
Okay.
Ram
Ram. Is there anything that if we don't attend for 3 classes in succession, we will not be able to log in again?
There is nothing like that. Nothing as far as I know. There should be nothing like that because there is no control here to do anything of that sort. Nor is there any automation that does that.
Okay.
Unless there is absolutely nothing.
Okay, fine, thank you. And what are the Parayanam that everyone is speaking about?
There was a Parayanam test that was conducted last weekend. That's why there was
test. Okay. And other than that, sometimes I think you are conducting some during Navratri and all. You had some sessions, no?
That was not related to Narayan. That was completely.
Yeah,
different.
I know. But then many people attended, I think. So the link for that was given separately, or how the people were communicated with that thing?
I exactly don't remember how I communicated because that was not Vyoma. That was not related to Vyoma at all.
Yeah,
that was
okay.
I was doing at home. That was a Parayanam, which I had sent out a mail very similarly, like how I send out for other things. I think I had sent out a mail to my YouTube channel. That's all.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Ram.
Nigu and then Priya Ramji. Nigu, you can unmute yourself.
Namaste, Mahoday. Ram.
Tell me. Yes.
Yeah, I have been attending the classes regularly, but last week I didn't know that it was conducted through Zoom. I was also trying, like the other lady was telling. Anyway, I came to know.
Last week was anyway, there was no class, so that is okay. It was only the test you could have. No problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, Panchanadam Swaminathan and then Sita Lakshmi.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. I think from the questions I heard, people either not checking their email or just getting confused. Is it possible for you to use the Zoom link for every week instead of this? That way, you can avoid one thing. I know you sent out a lot of emails reminding you, but
you are saying Zoom link instead of GoToWebinar is what you're suggesting. That I should ask the organizers because I think there might be some other thing that they are using Zoom for every week that also they're doing. And this is getting recorded. There we have to record it each time, and this is automatically getting recorded. Many other things. I think this is simple for taking a class. For an interactive session, obviously Zoom is far better. So I think there are some technical issues, which that's why this is the best platform for classes like this.
What I noticed is, even though I'm getting all of the emails, everything, that particular Zoom link, if you don't keep that email which is sent by you, there's no way of getting the link. So what happens is, I'm pretty sure it is common for people to just either delete it or throws it away. But I save all the Vyoma links in a particular one, and I go back and look at it. So that's one trick thing many people may get confused because they don't know how to launch.
Yes, it is difficult kind of when everything is on the cloud and everything is in mail and you're not used to it. It is difficult. I understand. We just
the same issue that Tashatyai Parayanam also. They sent a Zoom link and it was very confusing. So something we want to make it a little bit useful.
Yeah. And also, I think some people by mistake they press the unsubscribe button and then they stop getting the mails. That also happens. A lot of people unsubscribe. So that
happens. And especially when people are getting a lot of junk mails, then an en masse deleted. It's a reality in life. My second question is: the 15th is decided or still planning for the memorization test?
Yes.
Is it decided? No, you talked about March 15th for the memorization test. Is it decided or you are still planning?
March 15th onwards, mostly memorization test is on from 15th. Still planning because it depends on the number of participants that they register. Usually it's around 30.
Because I want to register but
Okay.
I will need additional time to memorize it. So if it is 15, I will still register it if I cannot finish it because now
that's
I'm
okay.
getting comfortable reading.
That's
Very nice. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. I know it's a lot of time commitment on your part, scheduling, sending email. Really appreciate your effort in teaching us.
Thank you. Yeah. No. Dhanyavada. Sita Lakshmi. Sita Lakshmi. Oh, I have muted you. Sorry.
Namaskaram. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Actually, I have joined the Telegram group now, and the thing is, எனக்கு வந்து அந்த PDF எனக்கு I have என்னோட chatல நான் என்னோட மெயில் ஐடி கொடுத்திருக்கேன். எனக்கு அந்த PDF எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் அனுப்ப முடியுமா? பிகாஸ் எனக்கு இப்பதான் இந்தியா வந்திருக்கேன், எனக்கு வெளியில போய் புக் எதுவும் வாங்க முடியல. So practice
online, it's on the website. I have not updated from Dashakam 26, which I will do it tomorrow. But till Dashakam 26, everything is available in all languages, both as PDF and
நான்
Word.
25th வரைக்கும் நான் print out எடுத்துட்டேன். எனக்கு 26 தான் இல்ல.
26, I will do it tomorrow. Then you can download and take a print out.
Okay. Namaskaram.
Namaste. Chitra Tyagarajan.
I am attending the class after 2 months. I had some personal relocation issues இருந்தது. இன்னைக்கு தான் பண்ண முடிஞ்சது. It was nice to be back on the class. அப்புறம் the rate at which we are covering the Dasakas, it will take another 3 more years to complete.
Let us see. However, Bhagavan takes us. Yes, it looks like that we have taken 10 months to cover 25 Dashakams. There's a little less than 4 years, 3.5 years almost it should take.
அவ்வளவு நாள் ஆகுமா? Okay. அப்புறம் as you said, I think previous lady's answer also answers my question. Like, the course page updation வந்து பண்ணிடுவே இல்லையா? It is not updated. I couldn't see the. Okay, because I have to cover up the whatever classes I missed. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Dhanyavada.
I think that is the end of questions. Okay, we shall not have any specific recitation today since a lot of people have already done the Parayanam test and everything. And 25 Dashakams you have all revised many a times. From Dashakam 26 only we have to see. We will see that next week we will have some recitation by the students. Yes.
Swaminathan, one question. The Telegram group I never joined. I just saw the link and put it in.
It is not a requirement to join there. Some people discuss a few points, but there is no all the important information.
I understand. I want to keep in touch with the community. But what is the application? I have been to my iPhone, look for Telegram. So quite a few hits are there. Is there any specific one I should download on my iPhone or?
Yeah, you can download it both on Android and iPhone. There's a Telegram app. It is just called Telegram. There is no specific. It's just called Telegram. There should be only one app that comes up with a very good rating. So that should be it.
Thank you. Dhanyavada.
Ram நான் வந்து சீதாலட்சுமி again பேசுறேன். நாளைக்கு டிஸ்கோர்ஸ் வந்து நாளைக்கு டிஸ்கோர்ஸ் வந்து இங்கிலீஷ்ல பண்றேளா இல்ல தமிழ்ல பண்ணுவேளா?
இங்கிலீஷ்ல தான் பண்றேன். எனக்கே தமிழ்ல பண்ண பிடிக்கும், but we are not doing it in Tamil because this class itself is in English. So since it is associated with the class, English.
Okay. வேற ஏதாவது தமிழ் டிஸ்கோர்ஸ் இருக்கா? ஏன்னா என்னோட அம்மா வந்து அவளுக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் அவ்வளவு கம்ஃபர்டபிள் இல்ல. வேற ஏதாவது கிளாஸ் நீங்க கண்டக்ட் பண்றீங்களா?
நிறைய பேர் பண்ணிருக்கா தமிழ்ல டிஸ்கோர்ஸ். There are many people who have done. For example, there is Erode Balaji Bhagavatar who has done for complete Narayaniyam. Similarly, many starting from Anantarama Dikshitar who popularized Narayaniyam. From him Sundara Kumar, many others have done. So great Mahans who have done. What we are doing is only a service again to Guru Vairappa. Erode Balaji Bhagavatar, it is available on YouTube easily. The major site, I do not know exactly, but it is available and he has also done very well. A Shishya of Muralidhara Guru, he has done very well. Girija Murali, and then Meera Sundar. A lot of people are getting some questions.
நான் கிரிஜா முரளி.
சொல்லுங்க.
எனக்கு அந்த டெலிகிராம் லிங்க் வேணுமே, குரூப் லிங்க். எனக்கு அது நிறைய மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். இந்த பாராயணத்துக்கு ரொம்ப வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். எனக்கும் மெயிலே வரலையா, நான் ஏதோ அப்படி கொஞ்சம் விட்டுட்டேன் ஃபாலோ பண்ணாம. மிஸ்ட் இட் பேட்லி.
இப்ப இங்க சாட்ல அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கேன், சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கேன். அப்படியே
எனக்கு இந்த டேப்லெட்ல, என்னோட டேப்லெட்ல சாட் பாக்ஸே வர மாட்டேங்குது.
அதான் இன்னொருத்தர் சொன்னா தெரியல. அப்ப நீங்க எனக்கு மெயில் அனுப்புங்க. இந்த
சார் எனக்கு லிங்க் வரல. இப்ப டெலிகிராம்லயும் போய் பார்த்தேன். உங்க பேர்ல பாக்கணுமா இல்ல வந்துட்டு இது வியோமானு போடணுமா? டெலிகிராம்ல போய் என்ன போட்டா ஜாயின் பண்ண முடியும்?
ஓ டெலிகிராம்லயா? எனக்கு குரூப் பேர் மறந்து போச்சு. நாராயணியம்னு போட்டிருக்கேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். எனக்கு குரூப் பேர் என்ன ஞாபகம் இல்ல.
நாராயணியம் கிளாஸ். ஓகே, சோ நான் டெலிகிராம் இப்ப அதை சர்ச் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். எனக்கு கண்டிப்பா சாட் பாக்ஸ் வரது இல்ல என்னோட போன்ல. அந்த சர்ச்
அந்த மாதிரி டெலிகிராம் வேணும்னா if somebody wants it please send me an email to Rama.
நாராயணியம் கிளாஸ்ல சார்?
Yeah, Narayaniam class. It's called Narayaniam.
Narayaniam class Vyoma. Narayaniam class Vyoma. Just now நான் வந்து add பண்ணிட்டேன். It is Narayaniam class Vyoma.
Thank you ma'am. ரொம்ப நன்னா சொல்லி தரேன், ரொம்ப நன்னா சொல்லி தரேன். I'm so happy I joined.
எல்லாம் பகவத்.
God bless you. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். Thank you. Bye.
மீரா சுந்தர் சொல்லுங்க.
I would like to know about the result of that test that happened.
That's all. That is next week. I will announce it. It will be a post.
Thank you. It was a new experience attending the test after so many years. Thank you. Thank you.
Ram. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Ram. We will meet again next Saturday at 8:30 p.m. Ram. Shubham. Shubharatri.